Welcome to Learn English with Saya.
I want to order food.
What would you like today?
A chicken sandwich, please.
Anything else with that?
French fries, please.
Any drinks today?
Just water, thank you.
What is your address?
14 Elm Street.
What is your phone number?
It is 555.
How will you pay?
By card, please.
Great. Noted.
How long will delivery take?
About 30 minutes.
That works for me.
Is there anything else?
No, that is everything.
Your total is $18.
That sounds right.
Thank you for your order.
Thank you very much.
Any allergies to note?
No allergies, thankfully.
Good to know.
Sending food back at a restaurant. Excuse me, quick question, please.
Of course, what is wrong?
This is not my order.
I am so sorry.
It is okay. Mistakes happen.
What did you order exactly?
The grilled chicken, actually.
I will fix that immediately.
Thank you for understanding.
I apologize for the mix-up.
No worries at all.
The right order is coming.
Thank you so much.
How long can you wait?
A few minutes is fine.
I will hurry, I promise.
Take your time, really.
Your correct order is coming.
I appreciate your patience.
Here is your grilled chicken.
This looks perfect now.
I'm glad, truly.
Thank you for fixing this.
Of course, our pleasure.
You handled this well.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean, honestly.
That means a lot.
Will this affect my bill?
No, we will adjust that.
That is very kind.
We want you satisfied.
I really appreciate that.
Anytime, happy to help.
This tastes wonderful, actually.
I am glad to hear.
Thank you again for this.
Of course, enjoy your meal.
I definitely will.
Let me know if needed.
I will, thank you.
Anything else I can bring?
No, this is perfect.
Wonderful. Enjoy the rest.
Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome.
Was this a common mistake?
Rarely, actually.
Good to know. Thanks.
We usually get it right.
I believe you, honestly.
Thank you for understanding.
This kitchen seems careful.
Yes, very careful, usually.
That is reassuring.
We take pride in that.
Thanks for everything.
Our pleasure, truly.
Have a nice day.
You too enjoy your meal.
Asking about food. Allergies at a restaurant? I have a food allergy.
What are you allergic to?
Peanuts, actually.
Thank you for telling me.
I appreciate you asking.
Which dish interests you?
The pasta, please.
Let me check the ingredients.
Thank you for checking.
It contains no peanuts.
That is a relief.
We take allergies seriously.
I appreciate that so much.
Any other allergies to note?
No, just peanuts.
Good. That helps a lot.
Is the kitchen careful though?
Yes, very careful.
That is reassuring. Thank you.
We separate allergen ingredients.
I really appreciate that.
Ready to order the pasta?
Yes, please.
Great choice. Noting that now.
Thank you very much.
Anything else to check?
Does the sauce contain nuts?
No, completely nut-free.
That is wonderful news.
I will tell the kitchen.
I appreciate the extra care.
Your safety matters to us.
That means a lot.
Your food is coming soon.
Thank you for the update.
Anytime. Happy to help.
This tastes delicious, honestly.
I am glad to hear.
Thank you for your carefulness.
Of course. Our pleasure.
You made me feel safe.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean, it truly...
That means a lot.
Any dessert options without nuts?
Yes, several choices actually.
I will try one, thanks.
Great. Bring in a menu now.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Do you label menu items?
Yes, allergens are marked.
That is very helpful.
We want guests informed.
I appreciate the clarity.
Happy to explain more.
Thanks for everything.
Our pleasure, truly.
Take care.
You too. Goodbye. Splitting the bill at a restaurant. Could we split the bill?
Yes, of course.
4 ways, please.
I can do that.
Thank you so much.
Equal amounts for everyone.
Yes, please.
I will calculate that now.
Thank you for your patience.
Each person owes $20.
That sounds correct.
How would each person pay?
2 cards, 2 cash.
I can handle that.
Thank you for accommodating us.
Happy to help you.
Can we get separate receipts?
Yes, absolutely.
That would be helpful.
I will print those now.
I appreciate that.
Here are your receipts.
Thank you very much.
Anything else needed?
No, that covers everything.
Great, thank you.
This was easy, honestly.
Glad we could help.
I appreciate the smooth process.
Anytime, that is our job.
You made this simple.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean it truly.
That means a lot.
Do you split bills often?
Yes, quite often, actually.
Good to know. Thanks.
Happy to accommodate groups.
This meal was wonderful.
I am glad to hear.
Thank you for tonight.
Of course, come back soon.
We definitely will.
We loved having you.
That means a lot.
Please visit again soon.
We will, I promise.
Thank you for choosing us.
Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome.
Do many groups split bills?
Yes, quite often, actually.
Good to know. Thanks.
We handle it is
That is reassuring.
happy to accommodate that.
Thanks for everything.
Our pleasure, truly.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Making a restaurant reservation for a group.
I need a reservation, please.
How many guests total?
8 guests, please.
What day works for you?
This Saturday, please.
What time would you prefer?
7 in the evening.
Let me check availability.
Thank you for checking.
We have a table then.
That is wonderful news.
What name for the reservation?
Under Johnson, please.
Any special requests?
A quiet area, please.
I will note that.
Thank you so much.
Any dietary restrictions to know?
1 guest avoids nuts.
I will inform the kitchen.
I appreciate that.
Will you need high chairs?
No, all adults.
Understood, no problem.
Is there a deposit needed?
No deposit required.
That is convenient, thank you.
Glad that works for you.
Can we arrive early?
Yes, that is fine.
Good to know, thanks.
We will have it ready.
I appreciate that.
Any other questions today?
Is parking available there?
Yes, right outside.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to help you.
This was easy, honestly.
Glad we could help.
I appreciate your assistance.
Anytime, that is our job.
You are very helpful.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean it, truly.
That means a lot. We look forward to Saturday.
We look forward to.
Thank you for the reservation. You are very welcome. Can we modify it later?
Yes, just call us.
Good to know. Thanks. Happy to help you.
Thank you for your flexibility.
Anytime, that is our job.
Thanks for everything.
Our pleasure, truly.
Have a nice day.
You too. See you Saturday.